Teacher, when nothing I go on for you, them want step on you like carpet, but soon as something go on for you, as something of them a look a friend, them want beg. Gaza, we ratings are rise, from we savings and we interest high. When we used to walk, them never recognize. Gaza take over now, the ratings get high. Tell them no put up on the level. We above level. God over devil. We above level. If I hit song make them hate we. Watch. The general, the 10-star one. And you know anytime I come represent you know a lollipop thing boy. Watch. And that one you have to CMR. Because me hear him a come. Me hear him come. And I make a gesture. And I talk about if. Let me tell you something. When you start a sentence, you know say if and but. You see me I deal it? A real thing me I talk, me say when you are running a sentence, especially when you talk about Gaza. Watch, because you know me I go jump down your throat from you not correct. You not talk about if and bus. You not start no sentence with Gaza. You not hit no Vybz Kartel them lollipop way there. You hear that? Watch. You know the general, the 10-star one. You know another lollipop thing I go on right now. So you say if. What about if Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are linked? What I'm telling you? You lick up your head last night? Eh? You look like you lick up your head last night. Oh, your girl licking her head with something last night? Or you drop off of your bed? Which one of them? You crazy? They all Vybz Kartel for lick. You know Vybz Kartel is a man with a big friend. The world know that. Oh, Vybz Kartel for a link with Alkaline when Alkaline not show the man no form of respect, none at all. Alkaline not go like say match up with Vybz Kartel. Eh? Him not pretend like say him up there with Vybz Kartel and the whole of no boots him, especially you. So what you talk about? You know say as you do the review there today. As you do the review there today, you know, the news breaking, you hear breaking news, you know. Vybz Kartel sell gold again, you know, with Party Next Door and not nice, you know. And I been tell my friend them, you know. I been go on a deep most on 22nd one of the dead end, you know, and tell all of the rascal crip you them, you know, say that song they are going to sell gold, you know. From last year, I do that, you know. And them not believe me, you know. I call all my virgin all up at Boston, Massachusetts. I make him know, yo, you see that song there? It will sell gold next year. And them not believe me. You see next song I go sell gold like him and Busta Rhymes, you know. Watch and see if a lollipop thing. Vybz Kartel right now, you know, it come like a rascal, a Messi, a Ronaldo, a Neymar, them the man a run down with this gold thing, you know. Right, let me tell you something. I go and buy my blood clot self a gold chain. Yo, tomorrow I go and buy my blood clot self a gold chain. After looking at it, I go and buy myself a next blood clot gold chain. I full up a gold chain, you know that. But tomorrow I go have to treat myself as a Gaza man to a blood clot gold chain. And here what I tell you, the next blood clot big piece of money I blood clot make. I go and go to one of them blood clot Italian jeweler there, and him have to put blood clot gas upon that. And on a lollipop thing. Watch, you know when time I talk, you know I'm gonna play. Yo, see man, I tell you this, you know, straight up, you know. You see if you come on YouTube, you see me, for do a review, for make money and feed yourself and your family. Let me tell you something. I don't have no problem with that, you know. You see man, and even if you are going to tell a few look a lie and you are going to mix up a certain look a controversial in it to make your money. You see, as long as it not damage the artist's credibility, not damage the artist's career, I don't see that as nothing because in these days nobody really give nobody nothing. You see what I'm dealing? So if you can do that for eat a look of food and take care of yourself and your family, I don't have no problem with it. But you see me as a man, I don't do them things for make money. I do them things for my fun time and my spare time and any time I feel like. You see what I deal with because now this make me make money. I make money way before this shit I go up on the internet. You see what I deal with because I'm a trade man. You see me? And a lollipop thing. You hear that? What? So me I say, once again, if at that you do, for feed the family, me not have no problem with that. But me is a man no come on this and tell, no lie none at all. And that's why me not come on this every day, because me no want to tell lie. And me no want to forget what me say. And come here, come contradict yourself. Because that you do contradict yourself right now. Because I'm going to remind you. What? Since your vocabulary forgot. I'm going to remind you, because me not forgot. I can't forget nothing. I keep hard, me try. What? You see me? And them type of brain them I have. You know me I say? And you come and say Alkaline think him bigger than Tamale. So him not have Tamale in him class, so him not challenge Tamale. And what if you are saying no, you are saying no that it looking up for Alkaline don't challenge Tamale and move on to the bigger artist challenge Tamale. So what kind of bumbuckler clash you are talking about with Vybz Kartel and Alkaline? Because it more outstanding with Mavado, because a Mavado the rivalry. You see me? I did Gaza Gully. You see me? And Mavado him have international hits too. You see me? Him have Billboard hits too. You know what I mean? It might be not enough as Kartel, but him have Billboard hits. You see what I dealing? Alkaline have none of them things that you want to put him against Vybz Kartel. Remember, I know my virgin, and you are saying if Alkaline are the smaller artist and him think Tamale in him level for challenge him, or to look if Mavado challenge him, then why you are talking about Alkaline and Vybz Kartel? You know see you hunger contradict yourself, my virgin. Vybz Kartel not in them thing there. You know hear me tell you what Vybz Kartel I do. I run down Messi, Ronaldo and Ross Clark Newman with gold business. And that teacher doing that. It come like you're blind. I want me to hear that. It come like something wrong with you. You know what I mean? But as me say, if you do that, for stir up a little controversial, for eat a food, for feed your family, well, I don't really see that as nothing, you know what I mean? Because a man have to eat. You see me? And the 5-star general bounty killer say every youth deserve a dumpling or something. You see what I deal with? But at the way you do it, you know what I mean? And the way you do it, the way you do it, because you ask you come and act like you're intellect and you're so fucking intelligent when you rip off your thing them and them shit, but you think them shaky. You see what I deal with? I have to know Gaza, a concrete with your Gaza step. And you think shaky, it go broke off if Gaza step to the summer virgin. It can't hold the strength of Gaza because it's shaky. And how step to the so it go pop off, it go collapse. Wait. You see what I deal with? So you need to put some reinforcement underneath your argument. Because it really shaky bad. You see what I deal with? What the fuck do you man? Boy, teacher look like say I'm going to run down Pele with 1,000 gold to blood clot. 1,000 gold. Teacher no fuck a bumbo clot in a man. Pussy clot. I wish for teacher use kickball. A left foot. Bumbo clot. Like a 200 mile per hour them man they caught the ball in the back of the net dog. A big goal. Watch. We're going to start we're going to call Gaza Gold Cup. We don't ever call Gaza World Cup, a Gold Cup we ever call Gaza. Watch. You may say no man, once again you know man. And the world it's not a plan, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. I'm there representing a live and living color, full effect in our local basement from my job because you don't know the place kind of crowded. This is when I deal with watch. And I left a review, you're moody. Watch. General 10-star, big up Gaza Nation. Watch.